Welcome to our Forex channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the basics of Forex trading, breaking it down into simple and easy to understand concepts. Whether you're completely new to Forex or just looking to improve your trading skills, this is the perfect place to start. Understand the Forex market and why it's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. How Forex trading works. Learn about currency pairs, tips, leverage, and the key concepts that drive the Forex market. How to get started with Forex trading. A beginner-friendly guide to choosing a broker, opening a trading account, and setting up your trading platform. Simple strategies for beginners. Easy to apply trading strategies that will help you start your journey with confidence. Discover how to protect your capital, avoid common beginner mistakes, and trade smarter. Why Forex is a great investment opportunity. Forex trading provides a unique opportunity to grow your investments, but success depends on learning the fundamentals and staying disciplined. With the right knowledge, tools, and mindset, you can navigate the Forex market effectively. Start your Forex journey today. Ready to take your first step into Forex trading? Open an account with a trusted and reliable Forex broker to start trading confidently. Right finger click the link in the description or pinned comment below to open your account now. By choosing a reputable broker, you'll have access to a secure trading environment, competitive spreads, and excellent customer support to guide you along the way. If you found this video helpful, checkmark like this video. It motivates us to create more helpful content for you. Checkmark share this video. Help others learn how to start Forex trading. Checkmark subscribe to our channel. Join our community of Forex traders for more tips, strategies, and market updates. Checkmark comment below with any questions or thoughts. We're here to help and would love to hear from you. Bell turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content and never miss an opportunity to grow your Forex knowledge. Thank you for watching, and let's start trading Forex together. Rock it!
Here we go! I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.